Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm back at Concord West for Concord West at night. Departing on platform number 3, we have Rota A19 for a Epping service. Next stop being Rhodes, followed by West Ryde, Denniston, Eastwood and Epping.
Customers on platform 3, the next train.
Just to give you guys an overview of Concord West at night.
Please stand behind the yellow line. Please.
Very beautiful. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, sit back and enjoy. That was H11 and H37, bound for Central, next stop being Strathfield, then followed by Central Sydney Terminal. We should have a Waratah arriving on platform number 2 for our Hornsby via Macquarie University service. It'll stop at North Strathfield, followed by Strathfield, Burwood, Redfern Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Milsons Point, North Sydney. Then St Leonard's, Tarman, Chatswood, North Ryde, Macquarie Park, Macquarie University, Epping, then all stations to Hornsby. A13 is set. A13 now departing platform number 2, Hornsby via Macquarie University service. Next up is North Strathfield. And any moment now we should have a fast train to Hamilton, Newcastle, about to fly past platform number 3. Any second now it should be a fee set. Coming through at speed. V10 is the front half, rear half, class leader, V1. Next stop Eastwood, followed by Epping. Okie dokie, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to make this one shorter than usual, because the very next episode is a milestone 300th episode of Paul's Train Vlogs. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to wrap it up. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I will see you in episode 300, which pays tribute to the S-sets. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you in vlog 300. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.